Alright, YouTube landers. So last night, we managed to get a free Ford Focus from our buddy from work that needs some work, and we accepted the challenge. So we're getting on Marketplace, and we ended up finding this jalopy for 150 bucks, half an hour from here. So we're like, hey, let's just go buy it. We don't really know anything about it other than it has 180,000 miles. It's pretty much identical to our other one, and the lady informed us that the motor, something's wrong with it. And when we get there, we're expecting, okay, this is a blown up motor, we just want a parts car. So she said that it's not running on 2 cylinders. So we're going to investigate that. But here, check out the car. It's pretty solid. Dent wise, it's got some scratches. It's a black car. This one's got a really nice radio in it. Here, get a close up on that radio. Oh,
all the beats.
Dude, I don't know what make that radio is, but I really gotta find one of those.
But it is basically identical. It's the same trim and SE, so it has all the power options.
Yep, it's pretty much identical.
It's a little dirtier in here than the other car. I know the other car has dust and dirt from that dirt road that it was driven on, but
we got some fruit roll-ups and some popcorn back here.
Yeah, this one's gonna definitely need the dewalt clean.
It's not a bad looking little car. Tires are okay.
Well,
the front ones are shot.
It's probably gonna need 2 tires.
Yeah,
this one,
the front ones are bad on the inside.
The one on that side is brand new. This one though, on the inside, you can see the belts. So this one's junk.
Ooh, this one on the back here is probably the same as that.
Yeah. So this one, we're going to try to get running and see what's going on with that before we do anything else to it.
We didn't even try to start it. We just bought it.
Yeah.
Brought it home, and we, looking at further investigations, we're going to try to get it to run. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is our second Ford Focus in less than 24 hours. I think I have issues. Yeah. But one of the other things we did see is there is a nasty power steering leak. Like,
yeah, this thing.
See if you can see it on the belt there. It's,
yeah, the belt is wet.
She's greasy.
Just look at the reservoir. But yeah, so
we're gonna try to start it.
Yep.
And give you an update.
All right. Hook this battery up. See what she does. Red to red, black to black.
You sure?
That's what I've been told.
Should we check it? See. Oh! Okay, it works. Yeah.
Your power.
She's juiced now.
Right,
crank it.
See if anything happens.
Remember, we only have 2.5 cylinders. I might have to adjust this cable. Is it cranking?
It has gas.
Crank it. Yeah, hold on. Hold on. Alright, try it now. Try it. Alright, hold on. I'm just gonna put the battery in it. Like how we did the other one. Oh God.
Shake too.
Man, this thing is rigged up. Oh, Cletus. Yeah. All right. Let's see. We need one of these. Where's my other friend at? There it is. All right, try it now. It don't like that.
Yeah, fuel pump's definitely priming. I can hear it.
You can hear it?
Yeah.
It's not. I don't think it's getting anything. Any spark.
Well, there's the problem. Holy crap. I'll grab the camera. Pretty sure we just found the problem.
We got a loose wire.
Going straight to the ignition coil.
What the heck? So it's definitely broke. I think it goes right here in the middle.
Yeah.
But
they said it wasn't getting spark. I'm pretty sure that's why.
let's see if we can just... Oh, maybe we'll have to clean that up a little bit. But we can jam it in there for a test fire. Nah, I kind of want to clean that up. Go grab some clippers.
All right, we're gonna play with this wire and see if we can get this thing to run.
All right, so this wire comes out of the harness and it was broke right here by this pigtail. So right away we figured it goes to that. We don't know if it's a hot wire or what, but I cleaned up, I just cut it back some, made it so I can hold it here. So I'm gonna hold it if you wanna try to crank it.
Yep. All right, move this back a little. All right, I'm gonna go try to start it.
All right, I'm holding it. Hopefully I don't get shocked. Try it now. Dude, it runs. Oh my God. Dude, it runs really good too. Oh, I lost my grip.
All right, but either way, hey, it runs.
We need to extend that wire a little bit, so it's pretty short. The harness is tight. Dude, it runs good. I can't
Yeah, guys, this is awesome.
So we bought this car for $150, and she said
And
it didn't
just
run.
because of this wire being separated wouldn't make it run.
There's definitely like some kind of connection issue in there, because
Yeah.
the first time we couldn't get it.
Well, yeah, so we're gonna have to fix that, right?
Yeah.
And then this thing runs. And then we
That's
can test
awesome.
it out, see if it drives.
Heck yeah, man.
Sweet. All right, so we made a ghetto repair to this. And now we're gonna see if it works. Just keep it in here, I guess. All right, here we go. It's working.
No way. Have steering?
Kinda, yeah.
They must have just filled it up.
Might have a lot of stop leak in it or something. Let's see if the windows and stuff work. All right. Good. Good. Yep. One more. Nice. Okay, obviously there's no radio to check. But what the heck? All right, see what happened there. All right, we're back. It was just the cable came off.
See if it drives.
I wanted to test the brakes and everything. I got it.
I want to see it drive.
All right. see that.
Oh, we got reverse. Dude, do a burnout. Ooh, that yard is soft. Hey, it works. The yard's really soft.
Dude, the trans feels good.
Did it shift at all?
No, I can't. I can only go like 3 miles an hour. It's too bumpy in here.
Oh, dude.
I mean,
Dukes of Hazzard it from the telephone pole. The corner of the telephone pole is my yard. This Dukes of Hazzard all the way up into the back. Just accelerate slow because the yard. Oh, that exhaust is broken. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah.
I just found a remote to a radio that's no longer in
Here,
here.
turn it on, see if the radio works.
I don't even know.
Nope.
That works. Oh.
That thing's awesome. It works.
Oh, you know what I didn't test?
Check the heat.
Yeah, I didn't check it either.
I can't believe we just fixed this car for 150 bucks and fixed a one wire and now it works. That exhaust is broken in the back.
I saw that. I think Jeff's is too.
We'll have to make a hanger for both of them.
Yeah, that'll be real simple.
Here, try to park it on some high ground.
Warming up a little.
Well,
That does it for this one.